my name is Before making the device, we do a survey about the fisherman's problem. Try to solve the problem and create a device which the fisherman does not face any problem. In the basic device is designed in such a way that it can be used very easily and the price should be between 80,000 to 90,000. Any fish farmer can buy it very easily and it is our most winning machine. Make the device, we get survey from the fishermen. The problem which I get from the fishermen is that the fishing capacity is so low and the costs are so high. All the machines which are used in fisheries are not profitable.
Hello, my name is Abir and this is our moss spinning machine. This machine is so much useful for fishermen. This machine have lot of so many things we are including here. There have total 6 things we are including here. This machine is so much useful for any fishermen and this machine is so much useful for fish farming. Now I am telling what is the features of this machine. This machine have total 6 features like moss spinning, oxygen blowing, lime and potassium spray, fish feeding, measurement of pH level and security at night. This machine is total 6 features we are including here and all features is so much useful for fish farming. So now I am telling what is first our moss cleaning. So we are using a moss cleaning system in this machine because of this machine cleaning moss in the water, so we are name this machine moss cleaning machine. After that, why we are using a oxygen blowing system is in here because of when the moss is in the water and this time our water oxygen level is so much decreasing, so we are using a paddle system now processing. So when we attach a paddle system, oxygen blowing paddle system, then we are input oxygen in the water. And after that, why we are using lime and potassium spray? Because of lime and potassium is so much important for fish farming when fish fishermen are trying to fish farm. So we are attached a spraying system in this machine, which is so much benefit for this machine. Because of this two things is spraying system when the motor is going on, and this time this two spraying nozzle is working and we are easily spray lime and potassium, and this machine can also spray medicine very easy. After that, what is fish feeding? Fish feeding means we are included two hook in this machine. When the fish feeding time, we are add a catch of food in this machine, and this machine is going through the water and the fish can easily to eat this food very easily. After that, we are attached a pH testing system in this machine because of pH testing is so much important for fish farming. So we are attached a pH testing device in this machine. This pH testing device can easily to measurement our water pH level. Night vision camera, now it is in processing and alarming system in this machine. Why we are attached in this? Because of village area, fishermen has so much facing problem at night. So we are attaching for security at night. So there have a night vision camera, a security alarming system, some of night sensors, just like eYIC sensor we are using in here, and this machine can get security at night in our water. So this is so much useful for this machine. So this is our machine. This machine is so much useful for this machine. Before making this machine, we are going in village areas and we are survey some people, and after survey we can get some facing of problem. There are lot of so many problem fishermen can face, and then we are solve out this problem, and after solution we are develop this machine. So now this is our we are named this machine, that this machine name is moss cleaning machine.
Hello, we are trying to sell our products using online auctions and in collaboration with rural development finance companies. And in near future, we are trying to sell our products using expos and exhibition and even to direct selling to the farmers.
Scale up because the manufacturing process and the design are very simple to implement. So the solution can be scaled up as per the problem size.